Hello everybody. Here I have written a simple Node.js code where this is a function which I'm going to use for authenticating a user. And as you all know, any Node.js file is a module, and the functions, the variables that we write in that module become the private members of that module or a file. So if my index.js file, that is the next file I have here, if in index.js file, if I want to use my authentication function, then I will have to export it from this file, and that is what I have done over here with module.exports. So let's require this authentication function over here with a const and use the require function to get the authentication function here. And now I will be able to use this authentication function in my index.js file. So let's run the code and see the output. So this is what I'm getting, authenticating. Now another thing I want to show you is I can get the file name like this with underscore underscore file name. Also I will be able to find out the path to this index.js file using the underscore underscore dir name. So let's run it again. So this is the path to my index.js file, the complete file name with the path, and this is the path of the folder in which my index.js file is present. So you might be wondering from where I am getting to use this require function, this underscore underscore file name, this underscore underscore dir name, and also from where I am getting to use module.exports. So any Node.js module basically will get wrapped with an immediately invoked function expression, that is IFI, and that looks like this. So let's have this here. So this is a IFI with uh, these many parameters, and the last one is the dir name. So basically what is happening is whenever we write any Node.js code, it is getting wrapped inside or wrapped with this IFI. So any code that you write would be running inside this immediately invoked function expression, and that is how the code that we write in any Node.js module would have this local variables, exports, require, module, file name and dir name available to them, and that is how we get them to use in our Node.js file. Okay, thank you. I hope this helps.